Right, we're looking at surds here. Now, you've seen all of this before at GCSE pretty much, except for possibly the third one, this one. Okay, but there you go, even that you've kind of seen. But you may have used a calculator if you're doing IGCSE, so worth watching now. Now then, this one, I need to find the biggest square number that basically divides 90 exactly. So I'm going to rewrite root 90 as 9 times 10, bearing in mind that 9 is the largest square number that goes into 90. I can then split up into this 9 square roots nicely. 10 doesn't particularly, so therefore we leave it as that. Okay. Now then, next one, we're just expanding brackets like we would do normally. So 4 times 2, 8, plus 4 root 2, minus 15, plus 9 root 2. Simplify, we've got, what's that, 13 root 2 minus 7. If you put minus 7 plus 13 root 2, that is fine as well. Now then, what you might be asked to do is use a binomial expansion for this. So if you haven't looked up the binomial expansion, then that's fine. Or Pascal's triangle would be 1, 3, 3, 1 are the coefficients. So what we're going to do is 4 cubed plus 3 times 4 squared times negative root 3 to the power 1, as it were. All right, remember the 2 powers here and here have to add up to that power there. Okay, then plus 3 is the next coefficient, 3 times 4 to the power 1 times minus root 3 squared plus minus root 3 cubed. And all I'm going to do is now, and I better do another colour so I don't get a bit mixed up, is simplify all of these. So 4 cubed is 64. Now then, I'm going to have 3 times 4 squared times minus root 3. So that's going to be 48 root 3. Plus, I'm going to get 3 times 4 times root 3 squared. So it's going to be 36. Right, minus root 3 all squared is going to be plus 3, isn't it? And then it's going to be minus 3 root 3 for this one. Okay, that will simplify nicely. 64 plus 36 is pretty straightforward. Minus, what's that, 51 root 3. Hopefully that's right. So there you go. I didn't check this beforehand, actually. I could maybe try and do it now. Oops, minus root 3 to the power. Oops, no. I've got to come out of the square root. See if it does it in, right, okay. So 11.665, right, let's just check. Minus 51 root 3. There we go, excellent, it works. Good. Now then, final one, rationalizing the denominator. Again, you've seen this before. So we've got 2 minus root 5 over 3 plus root 5 times. Now we're multiplying by 1. It's a special one though, isn't it? 3 minus root 5 over 3 minus root 5. Now then, I already know that the bottom is going to go to 9 minus 5. I already know that bit. Remember the surd parts cancel out. We knew that already. I've just got to do the top. So it should get 6 minus 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5 plus 5. And so I should end up with, what's that going to be? 11 minus 5 root 5 over 4, and I can check that on my calculator, which I will do very quickly now. Well, he says very quickly, but there you go, root 5. Let's just check. Fantastic. All right, so this is all stuff you've seen before. Just got to take a little bit of care. But yeah, and remember, a bit of binomial expansion here, all right, or Pascal's triangle, whichever. All right, enjoy.